In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download video from Google Drive. By the end, you'll have the video saved to your device and ready to play offline. First, open Google Drive. On your computer, go to drive.google.com in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Google account details to access your drive. Wait for your files and folders to load so you can see your content. Next, click the video file. Navigate to the folder where the video is stored, then click the video to open it. You'll see a preview window with the video player and its details. Give the page a second to load the preview fully so all the controls appear. Now click download. Look to the top right of the preview for the download button with a downward arrow icon. Click download to start saving the video to your device. And if your browser shows a prompt asking where to save the file, confirm the location and continue. If you don't see a prompt, the download starts automatically and goes to your default downloads folder. If the owner has restricted downloads, the button may be disabled. In that case, you'll need permission to proceed, but if the button is active, go ahead and click it once. Wait for the download to finish. Keep the browser tab open while the file transfers. Watch the download progress in your browser's downloads bar or panel. Large video files can take longer depending on your internet speed and the file size. Avoid closing the tab or putting your device to sleep until the progress reaches 100%. If your browser shows a completed notification, that confirms the video is fully saved. Open the file on your device. That's if your browser displays the completed download at the bottom or top of the window, click the file name there to open it immediately. Otherwise, open your device's downloads folder and double-click the video file to play it. It should open in your default video player and start playing normally. If it doesn't open, check that the download fully completed and that you're opening the correct file in your downloads folder. That's it. Your video from Google Drive is now downloaded and ready to play on your device. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.